晚上出来觅食啦！看我们这一身装备啊，这一到晚上大降温，把我们在加拿大的厚衣服都穿上了。我当时在巴耶尔塔港的时候，差点就把它丢掉了，幸亏没丢啊，要不然这一天我得冻死。不，5个小时巴士温差就这么大。他以为我在拍他，一直在我镜头前面跳啊跳啊。Yeah, look at just like the dream castle.
With the palm trees makes it look so weird because you'd expect it to be in Europe. It
Oh
like
yeah, and the two tree right there.
Italy
2
or
trees.
something. Yeah, they're just such an interesting part of it.
就连卢克这种对教堂都无感的人，他看了这个都忍不住一直在说：“哇，太帅了，简直太像梦中的教堂了！”哇，我好爱啊，好爱，好爱！我们刚才在外面啊，随便吃了点炸鸡什么的，现在已经要走回酒店了，比较晚了，但是下雨下得特别厉害。What's this place? Fancy 哈
Very fancy.
圣米格尔相对来说呢是比较小资的一个旅游地啊，这边的酒店什么的 ，Yeah, it's rich, and all the restaurants, bars.
You know what I also saw? Not far from, like in this town, there's a big golf course.
Oh.
So people probably want to come play some golf, stay in a beautiful downtown place, have some top-level food.
Yeah.
Probably, I would say 100% safe. Seems like in this area, you're definitely not going to get robbed. Like,
Well, yeah.
It's
I like
middle of
those
the
lights.
street.
See those lights.
yeah, everything here is
Just
so
beautiful.
tasteful. It's like
就是这个 Yeah, the door looks like so normal, nothing happening, but the inside just looks more interesting. 雨中漫步圣米格尔，我们太喜欢这个地方了，太喜欢了。I just love this place.
We should be getting to a hostel at some point, but where?
哇，这边随便一看，又是一个好漂亮的走廊。
No, not a tienda las
The last
An auction.
also.
You're telling me a candy store.
而且晚上这边也特别的安全，你不用担心自己的安全问题。不像在那个瓜达拉哈拉的时候，我们晚上这个时候都在酒店猫着了，不敢出门呢。
Go get them.
Why?
Because you can say I don't even have to. I can just see the back.
That's too normal for Chinese.
You think it's Chinese? Could be Korean. I think Chinese. Well, I can definitely get a coffee tomorrow.
You want a coffee?
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Maybe a good one this time, not a Starbucks one. Even if it does cost 200 pesos.
Well, I think we have free coffee
took me here, so
tomorrow
we're
from
spending
the
money.
hostel.
What time does the breakfast end? Did we ask?
8 to 10:30 or 10.
8 to 10:30?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
I
I
have to
hate
take a
those
picture.
breakfasts that start at like 6:30 and go to like 9. It's like, fuck you, I can't be there at 9.
True. Oh, flower doors.
Nice door. Nice door,
Nice,
quality door.
No, this is the bread store we have across.
Alright, tomorrow's gonna have to be a big eat day. No big meals. We just order a little thing, like little, I'll try this one, I don't care. What's the next one? Okay, try that one. Alright, take a little break. Oh, one more thing.
No. 我们本来说在这边看不到这个有这种小摊儿呢，结果找到了一个 taco 摊儿，明天可以过来。哇，远处的那个又是一个城堡。Okay, Axel, across the street. Let the cars go first. Wow, 太漂亮了。就一直忍不住想录像，太好看了。 Yeah, it's movie style. Isn't it?
Huh?
It's very movie style, this town.感觉很像那种意大利的那种浪漫电影啊，或者说是那个黑帮电影啊，走街串巷那种感觉也有。反正就是各种这种电影感。这小镇真的很好看。